Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to speed up your Android phone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily speed up your Android phone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys to is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, all you need to do is to scroll to where you can see about phone, depending on the phone that you are using. So just click on about phone, or you can just click on system and then click on about phone, depending on the device that you are using, or depending on the Android phone that you are using. Now once you click on about phone, you can see build number. Just click on this for about 7 times and you can see it will be asking for your pattern or your password. Now you can see, just go back to system, and I'm now a developer, so just click on system and you can see developer options over here. So now I have activated my developer option, so I'm now a developer. Now once you click on this developer option, scroll to where you can see, so you just keep scrolling, so just scroll, and once you scroll you can see animation settings over here. You can see window animation scale, and you can see transition animation scale, you can see animator duration scale. Now you have to set all of them to 0.5x, select them to 0.5x, and that's it. Now by doing this, your phone will run very fast. So with this you can easily speed up your phone. So this is so amazing. So all you need to do is to just activate your developer option and then turn on these features. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new